Morning everyone. Yeah, I'm at today I'm trying out a roadside cafe. It's actually a pop-up store. They are famous for their spaghetti. So we're gonna take a look at some of what is available here lah. So I'm actually at Jalan I7 Taman Melawati. So this is the store here.
Ada olio kat situ boleh buat hilang lah.
They're famous for this spicy aglio olio. And that's the creamy Thai and the smoked bacon. Okay, so they serve a lot of coffee here as well. This is their mac and cheese.
Dia aglio olio dekat situ boleh buat dengan Americano no sugar untuk uncle dia.
Impressive setup, man. All the coffee stuff. So there's a lot of people here. I don't think you want to sit here lah. It's very hot. So you just take it and go. Alright?
Dia 8 pieces RM7. Mana nak jadi 10 itu ke?
Okay. Oh, yeah, chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, best seller, chocolate chip cookie, and that is the green matcha. So I heard that this is always sold out. Got one piece, and let's try. So here's what I got from Bluum Roadside Cafe. This is their Americano, okay, with ice. This is their spicy olio. I was told that this is one of their best seller other than creamy Thai. So I just try this first. And then chocolate chip cookie. This one I was told is also one of their best seller, very fast finish. So let's try. So first up, the coffee. Let's try. The ice melted already. Coffee is mild, not that strong, okay? So if you are a fan of the coffee that is not that strong, then it's okay. Not say that I'm not a fan, I'm okay with it. Next up, their famous chocolate chip cookie. So let's break it. This soft cookie, that's how it looks like. Mouth watering, man. Okay, this is good. You can taste the cookie or taste the chocolate inside. And when you bite in, it's soft. No wonder this one is their best seller. So it's always sold out one. Okay, well, this is good. It's soft cookie. Next up is this, the aglio olio. So you can actually stir it first, but I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to take the spaghetti first, just like that. To me, if you want to know whether the spaghetti is good or not, you have to take it without all the additional first ingredients. So let me try. Okay, this is good. The spiciness, right, actually give it the Asian feel. If you give the Italians, I think you put spicy, they'll be rolling in their graves. Olio, very got spicy, right? But this is how this is already localized. I think you can stir it, or perhaps you can put it on a bowl. Stir it, make sure the chili flakes is well mixed. Just now when I had it, right, the chili flakes is a lot, so yeah, you can taste the spiciness. It's a bit too concentrated. You can spread it on a bowl and eat it, or if you like it, just eat it like that. So this one is 12 ringgit. It's one bowl at least 12 ringgit. And I forgot to ask how much the cookies cost, but it's good. I think this is 5. So for roadside cafe, this store by the road. I think the food quality is very good lah. And I hope to find more this kind of roadside store where their quality is also as good as this. And if you are actually around the corner, they have actually 5 branches already. So I went to the one at the first one, I think at Taman Melawati. You can raise there. I'll leave the location below. So if you are free or if you got passed by, do give this place a visit. They are very famous for their pasta. Alright? I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.